Financial controller is a senior financial person in your company that's going to oversee your accounting and reporting function. In smaller companies, that person may also do some of the bookkeeping, but in a larger company, that person's going to be responsible for overseeing those people that do the day-to-day bookkeeping, but also will be preparing financial statements. So they'll be preparing balance sheets and income statements and other analytical reports so that management can see how the business is doing and make better business decisions. Some of the key benefits of hiring a financial controller is to make sure that management's getting complete, timely, and accurate reporting. In that way, they can make the best possible business decisions they can make. Smaller companies, and particularly companies that were started by an entrepreneur that had a good business idea, generally don't have the financial skill to really watch the numbers and watch cash and make sure that the business is performing the way they had hoped. And oftentimes they just don't know where the business stands, and costs could get away from them especially. So a financial controller provides them with the information so that they truly know how the business is doing. In that way as well, management can adjust its plans and its strategies for changing economic and business conditions. Today's environment is highly uncertain, changes every day. Right now we're in a pandemic, and unless management has timely information about their business, particularly their cash position and the strength of their company, they're really flying blind. So the financial controller gives them that information to make good business decisions on a timely basis. One of the key considerations when you're analyzing the financial controller for your company and whether you should hire a financial controller is cost. If you're hiring a CPA, for example, you could be spending six figures on a controller. In today's world where organizations are getting flatter, you definitely want somebody that can do multiple tasks. Otherwise, it could be very expensive for a startup company. It could be expensive for a small to mid-sized company. The benefits may outweigh the costs, but that's a key consideration. Clearly, a controller needs to have good communication skills because they have to convey that information in a language that everybody understands, particularly non-financial people. So an entrepreneur with a good business idea may not really understand their financials. A controller's got to be able to communicate that in a way that they understand. So having good analytical skills, attention to detail for sure is a key skill, the ability to communicate it, and of course, obtaining that at a reasonable cost. CFO Strategies can help your company by providing controller services on an as-needed and part-time basis. We can provide you with timely, complete, and accurate financial statements so you can make better business decisions. We can also provide you with a whole series of other services, such as ensuring your internal control system is doing what it's supposed to do, which is to protect you against theft, protect you against loss, make sure that all your transactions are completely captured and recorded on a timely and accurate basis. But going beyond that, it's to make sure that when you need information, you can rely on it, it's credible, and people that you report to as management, say if you report to your bank, that it's accurate when it leaves your organization. So making sure that you have the information you need to make a timely, accurate business decision is critical, particularly in today's uncertain times. CFO Strategies can help you do that.